Hello, and welcome to our channel Mind-Bending Facts. Today, we're talking about the top 10 incredible facts about the world around us. Whether you're a fan of the genre or just looking for some new content to watch, we've got you covered. From the most popular to the most underrated, we'll take a look at the best of the best in incredible facts about the world around us. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Number 1. Babies have around 100 more bones than adults. Babies have about 300 bones at birth, with cartilage between many of them. This extra flexibility helps them pass through the birth canal and also allows for rapid growth. With age, many of the bones fuse, leaving 206 bones that make up an average adult skeleton. Number 2. The Eiffel Tower can be 15 centimeters taller during the summer. When a substance is heated up, its particles move more and it takes up a larger volume. This is known as thermal expansion. Conversely, a drop in temperature causes it to contract again. The mercury level inside a thermometer, for example, rises and falls as the mercury's volume changes with the ambient temperature. This effect is most dramatic in gases but occurs in liquids and solids such as iron too. For this reason, large structures such as bridges are built with expansion joints which allow them some leeway to expand and contract without causing any damage. Number 3. 20% of Earth's oxygen is produced by the Amazon rainforest. Our atmosphere is made up of roughly 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen, with various other gases present in small amounts. The vast majority of living organisms on Earth need oxygen to survive, converting it into carbon dioxide as they breathe. Thankfully, plants continually replenish our planet's oxygen levels through photosynthesis. During this process, carbon dioxide and water are converted into energy, releasing oxygen as a byproduct. Covering 5.5 million square kilometers, 2.1 million square miles, the Amazon rainforest cycles a significant proportion of the Earth's oxygen, absorbing large quantities of carbon dioxide at the same time. Number 4. It takes 8 minutes, 19 seconds for light to travel from the Sun to the Earth. In space, light travels at 300,000 kilometers, 186,000 miles per second. Even at this breakneck speed, covering the 150 million odd kilometers, 93 million miles between us and the Sun takes considerable time. And 8 minutes is still very little compared to the 5.5 hours it takes for the Sun's light to reach Pluto. Number 5. Polar bears are nearly indetectable by infrared cameras. Thermal cameras detect the heat lost by a subject as infrared, but polar bears are experts at conserving heat. The bears keep warm due to a thick layer of blubber under the skin. Add to this a dense fur coat, and they can endure the chilliest Arctic day. Polar bears are nearly indetectable by infrared cameras. Thermal cameras detect the heat lost by a subject as infrared, but polar bears are experts at conserving heat. The bears keep warm due to a thick layer of blubber under the skin. Add to this a dense fur coat, and they can endure the chilliest Arctic day. Number 6. A teaspoonful of neutron star would weigh 6 billion tons. A neutron star is the remnants of a massive star that has run out of fuel. The dying star explodes in a supernova while its core collapses in on itself due to gravity, forming a super-dense neutron star. Astronomers measure the mind-bogglingly large masses of stars or galaxies in solar masses, with one solar mass equal to the Sun's mass, that is, 2x 1,030 kilograms, 4.4x 1,030 pounds. Typical neutron stars have a mass of up to 3 solar masses, which is crammed into a sphere with a radius of approximately 10 kilometers, 6.2 miles, resulting in some of the densest matter in the known universe. Number 7. In 2.3 billion years, it will be too hot for life to exist on Earth. Over the coming hundreds of millions of years, the Sun will continue to get progressively brighter and hotter. In just over 2 billion years, temperatures will be high enough to evaporate our oceans, making life on Earth impossible. Our planet will become a vast desert similar to Mars today. As it expands into a red giant in the following few billion years, scientists predict that the Sun will finally engulf Earth altogether, spelling the definite end for our planet. Number 8. The human eye has a 576 megapixel resolution. When our eyes send visual signals to the brain, it has enough capacity to process images in 576 megapixels. However, we only see at about 150 dots per inch, since that is more than enough visual stimuli for us to see objects. Number 9. Thomas Edison didn't invent the light bulb. However, he was able to create a fully functional one in 1879. Earlier versions made by Warren LaRue and Joseph Swan had the light bulb concept down, but their inventions were not suited for practical use. Even with all our scientific discoveries, some phenomena remain unexplained or just plain strange. Anyone who's watched a few seconds of a nature documentary will agree that science is weird. Most of the time, science gives us answers. But there are also times where it leaves us with even more questions. Turn your curiosity into discovery with our other science facts. Number 10. Scientists found the 8th continent. Zealandia, also known as the New Zealand continent or Tasmantis, is an almost entirely submerged continent. It sank after breaking away from Australia 60 to 85 million years ago. It is also theorized that it separated from Antarctica between 85 and 130 million years ago.